The compact tablet market is on the verge of a seismic shift that very few people saw coming. And Apple is secretly preparing a device that could completely redefine what we expect from ultra-portable technology. For years, the iPad mini lineup occupied a quiet corner of Apple's ecosystem, appreciated by a dedicated niche of mobile gamers, pilot professionals, and readers, yet often overlooked when major annual upgrades were distributed. But insider supply chain leaks, component order manifests, and recent display patent filings paint an entirely different picture for the upcoming iPad mini 8. What you're holding in your mind right now, as a simple mid-tier small tablet, is about to undergo a radical transformation into a true pocket-sized power workstation. If you have been waiting for a reason to either upgrade your aging small-form tablet or step into the ultra-portable Apple setup for the first time, the engineering breakthroughs engineered into this generation will make it virtually impossible to ignore. Every rumor, leak, and technical leak points toward a device engineered not just to refresh a lineup, but to shatter the limitations that have held back smaller tablets for over a decade. When you look at how technology has evolved, the gap between extreme portability and sheer pro-grade performance has always been bridged by compromises. You either had to accept a lower refresh rate display, compromise battery life, or throttled processing capabilities just to enjoy a device that comfortably fits in one hand. The upcoming iPad mini 8 is designed specifically to erase those compromises forever. The internal engineering changes rumored for this release suggest that Apple is no longer treating the Mini as an entry-level compact device, but rather as an essential pro-level tool shrunk down into an insanely sleek form factor. As we dive deep into the verified specifications, structural redesigns, display revolutions, and raw processing power coming to the iPad mini 8, you will see why this single release is sending shockwaves through the tech industry. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. To truly understand why the iPad mini 8 is generating such unprecedented hype, we have to talk about the single biggest flaw that plagued previous generations: the display technology. For years, users complained about the notorious jelly scrolling effect and the lack of fluid motion on the standard 60Hz panel. With the iPad mini 8, Apple is finally putting those complaints to rest by introducing a breathtaking display panel overhaul. Leaks from display panel manufacturers confirm that test production run schedules have shifted toward advanced OLED technology combined with high refresh rate capabilities tailored for compact screen sizes. Imagine holding a display that delivers perfect pitch-black contrast ratios, ultra-vibrant color reproduction, and buttery smooth scrolling that feels instant under your fingertips. This isn't just an incremental improvement. It changes the entire tactile experience of interacting with the device. Whether you're skimming through massive documents, editing high-resolution video tracks on the go, or playing graphic-intensive games, the visual clarity on the iPad mini 8 will set a new industry benchmark for compact displays. The transition to OLED on the iPad mini 8 brings more than just deeper blacks and infinite contrast ratios. It radically impacts efficiency and physical design. OLED panels eliminate the bulky backlighting layer required by traditional liquid crystal displays, allowing Apple engineers to shave off crucial fractions of a millimeter from the device's internal frame. This structural diet creates extra thermal headspace and opens up internal volume for a re-engineered battery layout. Furthermore, each individual pixel on an OLED display generates its own light, meaning that when you use dark mode or view content with dark backgrounds, those pixels are completely turned off, consuming zero power. This dynamic efficiency gains mean that even with a far more demanding processor under the hood, the iPad mini 8 can sustain elite battery efficiency throughout an entire day of heavy professional workflow without breaking a sweat. Underneath this stunning new display lies the heart of the machine, and this is where the iPad mini 8 completely outclasses anything else in IT's size category. Reports indicate that Apple is equipping the iPad mini 8 with a next-generation silicon chip built on an ultra-advanced 3nm architecture. We're talking about desktop-grade processing speeds packed into a slate that weighs less than a pound. The sheer computational overhead provided by this chipset enables real-time ray tracing, instant AI workflow execution, and multi-layered video rendering directly on the device. Think about what this means for portable productivity. Tasks that previously required you to sit down at a dedicated workstation, like grading 4K footage or processing massive photo batches in Lightroom, can now be executed seamlessly while standing on a subway platform or sitting in a coffee shop using your iPad Mini 8. The raw processing muscle of the iPad Mini 8 is further amplified by a massive leap in unified memory bandwidth and neural engine capabilities. As artificial intelligence becomes deeply integrated into everyday operating systems, local processing power is paramount. The iPad Mini 8 is built from the ground up to execute complex machine learning algorithms locally on the device rather than relying solely on cloud servers. This means instant voice-to-text transcription, real-time object removal in photo editing apps, advanced predictive workflow management, and intelligent context tracking all happen with zero latency and maximum privacy. The synergy between the new silicon architecture and the dedicated neural cores inside the iPad Mini 8 turns this compact slate into a personal AI powerhouse capable of adapting to your exact working habits in real time. Thermal management has historically been the greatest enemy of compact high-performance devices, but Apple has engineered an ingenious solution for the iPad Mini 8. When you cram extreme processing power into a sealed compact enclosure, heat buildup usually forces the system to throttle performance to prevent overheating. To combat this, leaks indicate that the iPad Mini 8 utilizes a custom-designed vapor chamber and graphite heat-spreading system embedded directly into the chassis frame. This sophisticated thermal system dissipates heat across the entire aluminum shell uniformly, keeping the internal temperatures cool even during prolonged gaming sessions or complex rendering jobs. As a result, the iPad Mini 8 can sustain peak performance mode for significantly longer durations than its predecessor, ensuring that your workflow remains silky smooth without experiencing sudden lag or dropped frame rates. Let us shift focus to the external design language and build quality, because the iPad Mini 8 refined the iconic flat-edge aesthetics into a marvel of modern manufacturing. The chassis is expected to feature a recycled aerospace-grade aluminum enclosure with refined microblasted textures that offer superior tactile grip while resisting fingerprint smudges. Apple is also rumored to be narrowing the bezels around the display panel even further, maximizing the screen-to-body ratio without causing accidental palm touches along the edges. The result is an ultra-immersive edge-to-edge canvas that feels almost borderless in your hands. Holding the iPad Mini 8 will feel like holding a futuristic piece of digital paper, perfectly balanced in weight distribution so your wrist never gets fatigued during extended reading or note-taking sessions. Connectivity on a portable tool is everything, and the iPad Mini 8 steps into the future with significant hardware upgrades in wireless and wire transfer technologies. The USB-C port on the bottom of the iPad Mini 8 is upgraded to support insanely fast data transfer speeds, making offloading massive camera files or connecting to high-resolution external monitors effortless. Additionally, cellular models of the iPad Mini 8 will feature updated 5G modems that offer expanded band support, faster peak download speeds, and significantly reduced latency in congested network areas. Couple that with Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 integration, and the iPad Mini 8 becomes an unbeatable remote communication hub that keeps you connected at maximum speeds no matter where your work or travels take you. For creatives, note-takers, and digital artists, the interaction between the iPad Mini 8 and stylus input is a game-changing factor. The iPad Mini 8 is rumored to fully support the latest Apple Pencil iterations, featuring hover detection, pixel-perfect accuracy, tilt sensitivity, and haptic feedback NINs that simulate the natural drag of paper beneath a pen tip. Because of the upgraded display refresh rate on the iPad Mini 8, input latency drops to near zero levels, making the line creation feel completely instantaneous. Sketching diagrams, signing documents, or handwriting notes on the iPad Mini 8 feels so fluid and responsive that the barrier between physical pen and digital glass completely evaporates. Audio performance has also received a massive, unexpected upgrade in the iPad Mini 8 design pipeline. Apple has redesigned the landscape stereo speaker system, re-architecting the acoustic chambers inside the compact frame to push out deeper bass, clearer mids, and wider spatial audio separation. When watching high-budget cinematic films or playing immersive games on the iPad Mini 8, the soundstage feels remarkably broad, making the audio originate from space well beyond the physical borders of the tablet itself. Microphones have similarly been upgraded to studio-quality directional arrays with advanced wind noise reduction, ensuring your voice comes through crystal clear during high-stakes video calls or voice memo recordings. Camera systems on tablets are often treated as an afterthought, but the iPad Mini 8 recognizes how modern users utilize camera hardware for augmented reality, document scanning, and high-definition video conferencing. The rear camera module on the iPad Mini 8 features an upgraded sensor with improved low-light processing capabilities and enhanced smart HDR image algorithms. Scanning multi-page physical documents happens in an instant with sharp text clarity and automated shadow removal. On the front, the ultra-wide camera lens on the iPad Mini 8 has been repositioned along the landscape edge for a far more natural, center gaze during video calls, backed by center stage technology that automatically tracks your movement to keep you perfectly framed in every frame. Battery optimization on the iPad Mini 8 is not just about raw cell capacity. It is about intelligent power distribution managed by software and hardware cohesion. Thanks to the ultra-efficient 3nm architecture and dynamic OLED panel management, the iPad Mini 8 dynamically adjusts its power consumption based on the precise task you are performing. Reading an ebook drops power usage to absolute baseline levels, while launching a heavy graphics engine ramps up performance instantly. This intelligent balance ensures that the iPad Mini 8 easily delivers all-day battery life, allowing you to leave your chargers, power banks, and cables at home when heading out for a full day of work, travel, or creative exploration. The operating system tailored for the iPad Mini 8 takes full advantage of this hardware evolution, introducing refined multitasking capabilities designed specifically for the 8-inch canvas. Split view, slide over, and window management tools have been optimized so that working with multiple apps simultaneously on the iPad Mini 8 feels effortless rather than cramped. You can seamlessly run a video conference on one half of the screen while taking detailed handwritten notes on the other, or drag and drop media files between creative apps without experiencing any interface clutter or system hesitation. The software layer works in perfect lockstep with the hardware of the iPad Mini 8 to turn a small footprint into an expansive productivity workstation. Storage configurations for the iPad Mini 8 are also rumored to see a much-needed overhaul to accommodate modern app sizes and high-resolution media workflows. Apple is expected to bump the base storage tier higher, giving users plenty of local space out of the box without forcing them into higher price brackets right away. For power users who plan to capture high bitrate video, store extensive offline media libraries, or install massive software packages, higher tier options on the iPad Mini 8 will provide massive headroom. Coupled with seamless cloud integration, managing your digital library on the iPad Mini 8 becomes a friction-free experience that adapts seamlessly to your personal storage needs. Durability and daily resilience have been engineered directly into the structural architecture of the iPad Mini 8. The front glass panel utilizes advanced ceramic glass technology that offers significantly higher scratch resistance and drop protection compared to standard tablet glass formulations. Additionally, internal chassis seals have been upgraded to provide improved resistance against dust, splash, and accidental liquid exposure. Whether you're using the iPad Mini 8 in a dusty outdoor job site, a busy kitchen environment, or during turbulent travel conditions, the reinforced build quality ensures that your device remains protected against the wear and tear of daily life. To complement this incredible slate of hardware, Apple is reportedly designing a brand new suite of modular accessories specifically built around the iPad Mini 8 layout. We are expecting ultra-thin magnetic covers that double as multi-angle stands, redesigned protective cases with integrated stylus holders, and lightweight portable keyboard solutions that turn the iPad Mini 8 into an ultra-compact laptop alternative for on-the-go typing. These accessories seamlessly snap into place using high-strength internal magnetic arrays, creating a unified ecosystem of tools that expand the versatility of the iPad Mini 8 without adding unnecessary bulk.